Kindle back at Icon again. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to show you how to mix or slick mix, get a good rough mix on a hip hop vocal using the SSL E channel. Okay, sometimes I use the G channel or the E channel depending on what I'm working with, what type of instrument I'm working on, whether it's a horn, drums, vocals, doesn't matter. My preference will differ depending on what I'm working on. So only thing that I'm going to process here are these vocals through this SSL compressor only. Before I begin, I want to let you know that make sure that you have the analog button off. Okay, let's jump straight into it and start EQing. Alright, so basically what I just did was I kind of cleaned up the low end. I did a high pass up to about 120. Then I cut it about 250 by 3 dBs. And then I did a very big Q around 500. And I cut something off of that just to clean up the muddiness in the vocal. Okay, now let's try to attack the high end. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They wouldn't support my campaign. No, they wouldn't give me a brain. Nah, niggas ain't in my domain. Stay down there, ready to fall. Fast, we make the best music when we flash. Yo, spot coming after that. Running up the shit, I am attack. I crave out for the pain. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They wouldn't support my campaign. No, they wouldn't give me a brain. Nah, niggas ain't in my domain. Stay down there, ready to fall. Alright, so there I'm trying to cut out the nasing sounding noise, the nozzle sounding noise around 2K. And then I'm going to cut out around somewhere between 4 and 5K just to take away some of the edginess and the bite and the aggressiveness of the vocal. And what I want to do now is I want to add another SSL channel so that we can do more EQing. We can do more EQing and we can add some compression to bring the body into the vocal really. So let's jump into this. They went up on my campaign. The fast we make the best music when we flash. Yo, spot coming after that. Running up the shit, I am attack. I crave out for the pain. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They went up on my campaign. Alright, so I boosted above 8K just to give it some shine, some pristine. And I did another cut at about 5 because I'm still hearing some muddiness that I don't really like. Okay, so basically you guys have to do a lot of listening and you have to do a lot of trusting of what you're hearing so that you can get a clean vocal and you can get something that sounds good, not technically, but how it feels. Okay, so let's jump into the compression. The fast we make the best music when we flash. Yo, spot coming after that. Running up the shit, I am attack. I crave out for the pain. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They wouldn't support my campaign. No, they wouldn't give me a brain. Nah, niggas ain't in my domain. Stay down there, ready to fall. Fast, we make the best music when we flash. Yo, spot coming after that. Running up the shit, I am attack. I crave out for the pain. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They wouldn't support my campaign. No, they wouldn't give me a brain. Nah, niggas ain't in my domain. Stay down there, ready to fall. Fast, we make the best music when we flash. Yo, spot coming after that. Running up the shit, I am attack. I crave out for the pain. Days I used to feel shame, hurt. I really stood in the rain. They wouldn't support my campaign. No, they wouldn't give me a brain. Nah, niggas ain't in. I like the sound that the compressor from the SSL gives, so I'm gonna turn on the fast attack button so it attacks really fast, and I'm gonna extend the release so that the compressor holds on to the sound, hold on to the processing that it's doing to the vocals, so I can get the sound that the SSL is supposed to give me. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial on how you use an SSL channel on hip hop vocals. I'll be back soon with more tutorials. Thank you for watching.